I'm really personally very happy that I came to Nimba because first of all, the place, the location, the surrounding is so wonderful. It's so serene. It brings you back to earth, back to nature. We with our very busy lives in cities don't get this experience. Then comes the treatment. The doctors are so patient and they give us a full hearing, and they have attended to my smallest of issues. I mean, something that I would have otherwise neglected, I have complained about here, and they have been able to address it. Although in a very short span of time, I find that there has been a difference. The staff is excellent, the therapies are fantastic, everything well spaced out, not a minute of boredom. Every day, every minute there is something else to look out to. Thank you.
Well, everything that my friend has said is so true, and we are really very happy that we've come here. And thank you to Kausar. Because of her and because she had come here once, so she led us into this, and we are really very happy. And everything that she has said is absolutely true. And
yes, oh, well, I think this is a wonderful place, and it's just the right place for anyone who wants to get rejuvenated. I love the surroundings, I love the trees, the plan, the layout. It's peaceful and it's really good. Compliments to your staff for being one of the most enterprising and helpful staff I've ever seen. They are really excellent. Please keep up the good work.
This has been my second visit here, and I can definitely see there's a change coming about, and you seem to be on the right path. Small changes, but which have really made a difference. And as I second all of my friends who said that the staff is excellent, they are most cooperative, helpful and smiling, and the therapies are good as always. So keep the good work, and I'm sure you will be reaching greater heights of success.
Cheers to Nimba.
Yay!